Welcome to this episode of A Real Change TV. Grab your pen and paper. Today we're going to talk about, now that you've grown your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram followers, how to engage with them as you continue to expand without overwhelming yourself. Tip number 1, 5 minutes every hour increases the engagement. I'm not suggesting you work 12 to 14 hours in your business. Heck no, I don't do that. But I am suggesting in a 12-hour span, say from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., that you engage with your followers on Twitter, on Facebook, and Instagram live, not outsourced. You do it. Only 5 minutes an hour, however. If you log in 5 minutes an hour, that totals about 1 hour per day to build an amazing business, increase your engagement scores, and build a kind of relationship that you need with your followers. Engaging with them just 5 minutes each and every hour is going to set you apart. You can actually get a great overview of all of your followers, what's going on, what you need to ban, block, and delete. And you can pay attention to the questions that are coming in, keeping you live and engaged throughout the whole day. Step number 2, get some help. As you continue to grow your following, which many of you have, Catherine, who's the Organic Mama, she's got 12,000 new followers on Facebook. That's converting. She's gone from making absolutely zip to almost $1,500 a month with 3 little babies at home with just $10 and $12 ebooks. Who would have thought that's possible? But it is possible. But I want you to know that as you continue to engage and continue to grow, you're going to eventually need to get some help. For about every 25 to 30,000 people on your page, you're going to need someone about 5 hours per week to alert you to people that need to be banned or blocked, alert you to things that really need to be answered quickly, and also to direct people maybe to a blog post, a TV show, or something that you've done in the past that can assist them. A client care, if you will. So make sure that it's not all on you. I don't want you to outsource your voice at all, but I want to make sure that you, as soon as you get like 25, 30,000 followers, you're getting a client care person, so to speak, who can assist you, raise you to a higher level so that people can engage with you. Step number 3, be live every day and you'll grow longer and farther. I just got back from Franklin, Tennessee, spending an afternoon with Dave Ramsey and his team. And one of the most amazing things for me was watching Dave from 1 to 4 do his live radio show. Now here's the deal. He's been doing that for many, many years. Every single day, 5 days per week. Live engagement. He's always aware of where his audience is. He's tuned in, talking back and forth with them, and it keeps him vibrant and connected and alive in his business. If you turn him off of that from 1 to 4 every single day Eastern Standard Time, I guarantee you the robustness, the family-oriented culture that he has, and the purity of his brand wouldn't be as strong as it is. The exact same thing exists with your Facebook, your Twitter, and your Instagram. Connecting with people at least 5 minutes every single hour throughout the day is not going to overload you, and it's going to make your brand pure, make your brand strong, make you step out of the whole crowd, because a lot of people are not communicating live with their fans. They're not answering questions live. And my friend, it keeps you vibrant, just like Dave, where you can't wait to get into the office and answer some questions from all of your followers. Relationship is key. So in your journey, love your customers, engage with them, and you'll build a business you can be proud of. We'll talk to you next week. Have a great day.